The new VisiJet M2S-HT90 material is the newest high-performance material for the ProJet MJP 2500 series 3D printer. This is a strong, rigid, transparent material with a heat deflection temperature of 90 degrees C out of the printer. The material is biocompatible and capable of meeting USP Class 6 standards. This material is released along with a new ultra-high definition UHD mode that provides a 50% improvement in fine feature capability. That translates into improved print quality and sharper corners and angles than ever before. This is an injection molding insert created in the HT90 material. The high temperature resistance combined with the good part strength and sharp geometric fidelity lets you now successfully prototype limited quantities of injected plastic parts. This allows you to improve your time to market by verifying the performance of your design without incurring the high cost of metal tooling. The HT90 material is also a good fit for thermoforming dies. The combination of this material with our hands-free melt-away support allows for the creation of very fine apertures and highly detailed contours with no blemishes. The high temperature resistance of HT90 allows for extended repeated cycling of the 3D printed tool. The HT90 material is used to create functional medical bioreactors for living cell cultures. The printed part combines transparency, intricate internal chambers that must be totally free of residual support material, high temperature resistance for autoclaving, and medical USP Class 6 compatibility.